In this video we're going to look at area of kites and rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides, but the interior angles are not all equal. In primary school we would have maybe talked about it being a diamond, or it's a square with that's been leaned on and pushed over, but all 4 sides are equal. And a kite is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of equal non-parallel sides. So what we can see is that the 2 diagonal lines at the top are equal and the 2 diagonal lines at the bottom are equal. So example 6, find the area or length. So we know the lengths here, so we're trying to find the area. This shape is a rhombus because all 4 sides are the same length. The interior angles are different, so it's a rhombus, and the formula for rhombus is a half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, and that's going to be from corner to corner. So the first one is 30, and from opposite corner to the opposite corner, that's 10. So the 2 diagonals are 10 and 30. So the area is a half times 10 times 30, which is 150 squared centimetres. Example B, again we've got a rhombus, so we've got the 4 sides are equal and the angles are different, so it's definitely a rhombus. So we need to know the lengths of the diagonals. Now what we've been given is the distance from one edge to the centre, so that means on the other side it's also going to be 5 kilometres. So this diagonal is a total of 10 kilometres. And similarly then on the height, we've got from the top to the middle is 8. So that means from the middle to the bottom, it's also going to be 8 kilometres. So that's a total of 16 kilometres for the second diagonal. So area is a half times D1 times D2, which is a half times 16 times 10, which is 80 square kilometres, some size of a rhombus. Example C, we've got the area given to us. We've got the first diagonal, so the vertical diagonal, and then the other one joining the other 2 points is the one we're trying to find its x. Now, one thing we can notice straight away is the area is in square meters, the width or the diagonal is in meters, whereas the height is in centimeters. So that means the first thing we need to do is change this into 2 meters. Now we know the area of a rhombus, and it's a rhombus because we've got 4 equal sides and the 4 angles are different. So it's a half times D1 times D2. So if we fill that information in, we've got 30. It's going to equal a half times 2 times x. Now the half of 2 is 1. So we get 30 equals 1 times x. And 1 times x is just x. So that means that 30 is equal to x. So x is 30 meters. Doesn't look it, but it is.